ngiyathatha kakhulu ukuthi be nominated for seven categories. I have mixed emotions about it, but kube akuphela seziwenza.
Kodwa isikhathi lapho sagcina ukukhulumisana wena ubuqinisekile ukuthi uzonqoba kulo umncintiswano. Ngombono wakho kuyini kwayenza ukuthi unganqobi?
Angazi bona bathi abantu abavotanga ngobuningi for ama-category la nominated yo.
Kodwa sibona ukuthi nakuba awuzange wanqoba eningi isakuhlonipha. Ngibona ukuthi umhlangano owe 263 chat usekufakile ehlolweni njengomuntu oyisizalwane saseZimbabwe olothonya kulabo bonke abalamnyaka engaphansi kwe40. Angitshele ngamafishane lalokho.
Alokho yathabiza lokho ukuthi engikwenza kuyakhanya sibele and I'm really excited and humbled by that.
Awungitshele ke uke wakhipha umculo omusha kulomnyaka na?
Yeah.
Up and down, round and round. But I've been through some things cause it's been
Ngikhiphe iDalati album other than ngelanga lami lokuzalwa abe ngikhipha futhi enye ingoma as a token of appreciation to abantu bandelayo ama-fans ami. Ingoma ethiwa Ngichange.
Kuyini okwaphefumula ukuze ubhalele ngoma yankhona?
Andikahle ngangihleli nje ngikhanyela unyaka wonke lo. Awonke kuningi okwenzakalayo, kuningi okwangazange kwenzakale ngenxa ezinye izinto okumele zishintshe vele kahle ngoba zayenza imali but kulezinye izinto zayenza ngaluza imali at the same time. So ama-changes labo engikhuluma ngawo.
Njengoba sesiyongena kumnyaka omusha, singalindela umculo omusha okuzosuka kuwena?
Ngingalinda sibili ngoba hayi mina umshina awustop ukusebenza, but next year ngizabona bakhipha music on a different platform and people are going to be excited about that. I must be working with abantu abase-Mzansi and stuff like that.
I did a lot this year, but where it go to? Sitting back evaluating goals, feeling so shameful. After we come all boy, this what left us back at you. Then you start to realize your niggas don't wanna hang with you, but it's alright, boy. It's been a learning curve, yo. I'm like I'm is what they say, yo. I pull myself up, brush the dirt on my shoulder. Gotta put back together the broken pieces and taller. Up and down, round and round. But now I've been through some things, cause it's been smiles and frowns all year round. But one thing you gotta know is I'm going through some changes. Yeah. I'm going through some changes. Yeah. Yeah, that means everything I learned, I gotta unlearn now. And every useless friendship, gotta unfriend now. No more hanging at these parties, man, I'm down with that. Giving clubs unless it's business commitments now.